Good morning, friends and neighbors and everybody. Morning, Leroy. Very nice. Looks like we got all the colors in the universe up there today. It's in vertical green, going behind the clouds. Or not. Hey, how about that Benghazi thing? 4 Americans dead, nothing done about it. Kind of convenient there for Miss Hillary Clinton, Secretary of State supposedly. Says, well, we got everything under review, and we won't know anything till after the election, come November. Ain't that convenient? Just makes you wonder. More and more and more lies and cover-ups, all I can see. Well, tonight we got the presidential debate. That ought to be interesting. He can't run on his record, so he's got to move forward. Forward, ho! I sure as hell hope he don't go too much forward, or we won't be around to see the results. Then there's that show I watched the other night. Unclassified diseases, biological stuff. Seems like when they moved their building from wherever it was, New Jersey, New York, that island, you know, moved it out to Kansas City, breadbasket of the world. And seemed like they might have lost some biological specimens to the air. Who knows? Well, how about that for an interception? Yeah, we'll hang around a minute, see if they reappear. Looks like, no, they're not going to. Yep, there's one up there in the right-hand corner. There they are. Boy, when they leave, don't they, Leroy? Yeah, sure did. Well, may God continue to bless y'all, and may God continue to bless America, or what's left of it. Y'all have a great day.